Okay, go sit by Violet so she can see you. So what are you doing? You guys are shaking your head. Hey Phoebe, look at me. Hey Phoebe, look at Mama. Hey Phoebe, look at me and do it.
That was a knife.
Say, Stella, be careful, please. Oops, a little too close.
Violet, look at me. Violet, look at me.
Hey, Stella, scooch over. Stella, scooch over.
Violet, look at me. Violet.
Scooch over. This is your spot right here. Phoebe, can you back up a little, please?
Hey, Violet.
Uh-oh. Not nice.
Hey, Violet, look at me. Violet. Violet, look at this.
Okay, a little space, girls. Scooch back a little bit and you can both do it.